2024 BMW X2. 2 is greater than 1, but the brand new BMW X2 is an exception. The slightly less practical but sportier-looking subcompact X2 is BMW's smallest SUV, and it rides on the same platform as the boxier X1. The second-generation X2 has more exhaust tips than pistons and a more acerbic smile. The turbocharged inline four-cylinder, dual-clutch automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and 241 horsepower are shared by the 241 HP xDrive 8i and M35i xDrive. However, the M increases power with 312 horsepower, larger brakes, and a faster top speed. It also has a lot of the blue, purple, and red M-powered accents that go along with BMW's motorsport-inspired sub-brand. It is anticipated that the 5-passenger, 2-rod X2 will go on market in March of 2024. This year marks the launch of the X2's second generation, which sees the car getting bigger and more streamlined like a coupe. The updated X2 motor provides the vehicle more horsepower, giving it more attitude than before. And all-wheel drive is now standard on the X2. March 2024 will see the X2's arrival at showrooms. A 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-four engine from the previous model, updated for the new X2, is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The M35i xDrive is more powerful than the xDrive 8i, which has an output increase over the previous generation X2, producing a solid 241 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. The M35i xDrive generates 312 horsepower thanks to updated internals designed to withstand the boost in performance. BMW says the M-powered X2 can reach 60 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds, but we think it will do much better given the 300 horsepower 2019 X2 M35i we drove earlier was able to reach 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. All-season tires are standard on both X2 models, although the M35i xDrive has wider 20-inch wheels. The slightly bigger tires on both X2 variants than the previous model contribute to the new vehicle's more aggressive appearance when both models are fitted with all-season tires. Their highest speeds are capped at 130 miles per hour, however, when they are upgraded to performance summer tires. The M35i xDrive has a 6 mph edge into the danger zone, reaching a top speed of 155 miles per hour, while the xDrive 8i tops out at 149 miles per hour. Once we've evaluated either X2, we'll update this space with performance results. Compared to the outgoing model, the interior of the new X2 appears to have been cut from a whole different bolt of cloth. A superior digital display screen has taken the place of the outdated model's piano black plastic, surrounds and matte black plastic buttons, which have been trash-canned. In the X2, passengers enjoy more room than before. According to BMW, the car's greater dimensions have resulted in more shoulder and elbow room, as well as a whole inch more of extra knee-room for backseat passengers. When the back seats are folded down in a 40/20/40 split, there is up to 51 cubic feet of cargo capacity available. It is optional to get the heated steering wheel and front seats as well as remote start. BMW's big curved instrument panel display is standard equipment on every X2. A 10.7-inch companion screen displays infotainment controls, while the gauge cluster, measuring 10.25 inches, displays speed and other driving information, with perhaps too many configuration options available. The system offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility for every X2. The M35i xDrive comes with a wireless smartphone charger as standard, while the xDrive 28i's optional convenience equipment package makes one available as well, if your playlist calls for it. The premium equipment option includes a potent Harman Kardon sound system that amplifies the X2's trunk's thump. The 2024 BMW X2 ranges in price from $42,995 to $52,395 according on the model and options.